Okay, good morning everyone. Last time we discussed about exercise 2.4 and 2.5. Now exercise 2.6. Second chapter, exercise 2.6. Exercise 2.6. 2.5. Exercise 2.3 and 2.4 we discussed now. 2.5. Add the following. Add the following. Add the following. Last time we add one double digit number and one single digit number. One double digit number and one single digit number. Now we are adding two double digit numbers. Two double digit numbers. 13 plus 25. Now we are adding two double digit numbers. This is two double digit. Last time we had one double digit and one single digit number. Now two double digit numbers. 13 plus 25. 13 plus 25. First we want to add in ones place. First we want to add in ones place. Ones place which numbers have 3 plus 5. Ones place which number have 3 plus 5. First number what 3. We want to take 3 fingers. Second number 5. After 5 we want to add 5 after 6, 7, 8. 8. After tens place. After tens place. 1 plus 2. Tens place 1 plus 2. First number what 1. We want to take 1 finger. Second number 2. 2 after we want 2 after 3. Answer is 38. 38. We add 13 plus 25. Answer is 38. Next second one. Second one. 34 plus 45. 34 plus 45. Okay, first we want to add in ones place. Ones place which numbers have 4 plus 5. Ones place which numbers have 4 plus 5. First we want to take first number 4 fingers. Second number 5. 5 after we want to count. 5 after 6, 7, 8, 9. Next in tens place. First number 3 we want to take 3 fingers. Second number 4. 4 after we want to count. 4 after 5, 6, 7. 4 after 5, 6 and 7. 3 plus 4, 7. We add 34 plus 45. Answer is 79. Answer is 7. Like that we want to add 2 digit numbers. Two digit numbers. First one 2 digit number. Second one 2 digit numbers. We want to add like this. Okay, next. Next, exercise 2.6. Add the following. Exercise 2.6. Add the following. Last time we added 2 double digit numbers. Now we want to add 3 double digit numbers. Now we are adding 3 double digit numbers. 12, 45 and 16. And 16. Listen carefully. Listen carefully, ma. 12 plus 45 and 60. 3 digit numbers. 3 double digit numbers. If we want to add, here we write 12, 45, 16. 12, 45, 16. Like this we write. Tens place, ones place. Listen carefully. This is 3 digit numbers. We want to add 3 double digit numbers. We want to add 3 double digit numbers. This is double digit numbers. 3 digits give. First one, in ones place we want to add. First in ones place we want to add. Ones place first 2 numbers we add. 2 plus 5. 2 plus 5. 2 plus 5. First number 2. We want to take 2 fingers. Second number 5. After 5 we want to count. 2, 5 after 6, 7. Here 2 plus 5, 7 came. Okay, listen carefully. Here 3 double digit numbers gave. 3 double digit numbers. First one 12, second one 45, third one 16. 3 double digit numbers we want to add. Here first in ones place we take. First in ones place we take. Ones place. Ones place first two numbers. 2 plus 5. 2 plus 5, 7. Here 7 came. 7 plus third number. 7 plus third number. 7 plus third number was 6. 7 plus 6. We take 7 fingers. 6 after 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13. Here 1. Here 3. 13. Up 1. Here 3. 13. Next tens place we add. Okay, tens place. Here 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 4. We want to take 4 fingers. 2 after 3, 4, 5, 6. Here 6. 6 plus 1, 7. 6 plus 1, 7. Answer is 73. 73. Next second one see. 26, 44 and 13. 26, 44 and 13. 3 double digit numbers. Here we want to add 3 double digit numbers. 26, 44, 13. Okay. Previous is in this problem we say no like that only. First in ones place first two numbers we want to add. First two numbers we want to add. 6 plus 4. 6 plus 4 how much? 6. Take 6 fingers. 4 after 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Here 10. 10. 10 plus third number. 10 plus 3. 10 plus 3 how much? 13. 10 plus 3, 13. Here 13 came no. 1 here, 3 here. 1 here, 3 here. Now we add these two. 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 4. 4 fingers take 3 after 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 plus third number 1. 7 plus 1, 8. Answer is 83. Like that we are adding 3 double digit numbers. First we want to add in ones place first two numbers. Answer came after add third one. వచ్చిన ఆన్సర్ కి థర్డ్ వన్ యాడ్ చేయాలి. సీమా 3 డబుల్ డిజిట్ నంబర్స్ ఇచ్చారు. 3 డబుల్ డిజిట్ నంబర్స్ యాడ్ చేయాలి. ఫస్ట్ టెన్స్ ప్లేస్ వన్స్ ప్లేస్. ఫస్ట్ వన్స్ ప్లేస్ లో ఫస్ట్ 2 నంబర్స్ యాడ్ చేసి వచ్చిన ఆన్సర్ థర్డ్ నంబర్ యాడ్ చేయాలి. వచ్చిన ఆన్సర్ ని 13 వస్తే 1 టెన్స్ ప్లేస్ లో వేయాలి. 3 వన్స్ ప్లేస్ లో వేయాలి. 13 వస్తే 1 10 ప్లేస్ లో వేయాలి. 3 వన్స్ ప్లేస్ లో వేయాలి. After add these 1 plus 1, 2 plus 4 like this we add the in tens place putting here answer. Okay, answer is coming. Like that we add 3 double digit numbers. 3 double digit numbers. Okay, next exercise 2.7. Exercise 2.7. Okay, exercise 2.7 see. Story sums. Story sums. Story sums. See first one. First one, there were 15 white balloons and 28 blue balloons. 28 blue balloons at a party. At a party. How many balloons were there in all? Okay, answer C. Step problem C. There were 15 white balloons and 28 blue balloons at a party. Any balloons unnayanda? 15 white balloons and 28 blue balloons unnay party lo. How many balloons were there in all? Total how many balloons have? See, first one, white balloons. White balloons. How many white balloons have? 15. How many white balloons have? 15. Blue balloons. Blue balloons. How many blue balloons have? 28. 28. Total number of balloons. Total number of balloons. Total number of balloons. 15 plus 28. First we want to add 15 plus 28. Here tens place, ones place. First we want to add ones place. First number 5. We want to take 5 fingers. Second number 8. 8 after counting. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13. Here 1 plus 1. 2 plus 2. 4. Tens place. Answer is 40. Total number of balloons how many? 43. Okay. This is for today. Thank you.